In this video, I am discussing 4th Standard Mathematics, Chapter 10, Addition and Subtraction of Money, Exercise 10.3. In the last videos, we saw how to add money and how to subtract money. In this video, see how to multiply money. To find the value of one or more object, observe the object and their cost in the given figures. Soap rate is 5 rupees, chocolate rate 2 rupees, pencil rate is 3 rupees 50 paise. Smartna buys 3 chocolates. How much money he has to pay? What is the cost of 3 chocolate? 2 rupees each. 3 chocolate rate is 6 rupees. This is 6 rupee. They also did the same. 2 rupees for each. 3 times 6 rupees. Observe. If we know the cost of one object and if we want to find the cost of more number of the same object, then we use the fundamental operation of multiplication. Observe. While doing the multiplication of money, including paise, do the multiplication as that of numbers. Keep the point after 2 digits from the right side in the product. While doing exercise, you will know. Exercise 10.3. First one, a playing doll cost 45 rupees. What is the total cost of 3 such dolls? One doll cost 45 rupees. 3 cost 45 into 3. 3 paisa 15. Carry 1. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 3 costs 135 rupees. Sorry. A packet of cooking oil cost 80 rupees, 82 rupees 50 paise. What is the cost of 5 such packets? One packet cost 82 rupees 50 paise, and 5 packet cost how much? They are asking. 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 5, 25, carry 2, 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1, 5 into 8, 40, 40 plus 1, 41, 412, 50 paise rupees, 412 rupees, 50 paise. Third one, a man spent 95 rupees 50 paise for his daily food. Find the amount he spends on food for a week. In our videos, time videos, we saw how to calculate uh, week problem, days, months problem. We know that 1 week contains 7 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days is 95 rupees 50 paise for 1 day. They are asking for 7 days. Just multiply 7. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 5, 35. 5 carry 3. 7 into 5, 35. 35 plus 3, 38. Carry 3. 7 into 9, 63. 63 plus 3, 66. 668 rupees 50 paise. 668 rupees 50 paise. Fourth one. The cost of book is 23 rupees 75 paise. What is the total cost of 5 books? One book cost 23 rupees 75 paise. How much cost for such 5 books? 5 into 5, 25, carry 2, 5 into 7, 35, 35 plus 2, 37, carry 3, 5 into 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, carry 1, 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 118 rupees, 118 rupees, 75 paise. This much for in this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you are not subscribed, subscribe the channel. Subscribe now for more video.